one thing I had to learn something you taught her. Whole heart like I ain't thought before. Clip is a part of my poem. Like I'm not going home. What's understood ain't gotta be explained. There's too much going on. Murder running through my veins like heroin in a needle. How do you know?
Happening now. North Watkins and Thomas at the Highway 51 intersection. Active crime scene. I wasn't able to get that much information for you guys, but stay tuned and I'll get back to you and give you an update. I'm reporting on this letting folks know that this road is blocked. Can you give me some information?
No, sir. Nope.
Okay. Well, you can't help me then.
Alright, so right now, man, you recording the active crime scene. I'm asking you to step back from it, man.
Well, you just gave me some information. It's the active crime scene now.
Exactly.
Okay, well that's a little information.
Thank you.
Can you give me some more information?
Can you step all the way back from it, man? Thank you very much, buddy.
Sir?
It's the ongoing investigation.
Okay.
I can't give you any further details.
Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you.
All this blocked out. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Meanwhile, the information we have now is the active crime scene here on Highway 51. The road is totally blocked and you cannot come this way. It may be associated with this crime scene that's down here on the other end of Watkins, on the far end of Highway 51. I'm gathering information as we speak and I will update you later. Memphis Real News, stay tuned.